Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. So let's start with the question of why your device may be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So there are printers that are supporting the Wi-Fi network. They has Wi-Fi model inside, and in this way, in settings, you will have Wi-Fi settings, and you will be able to connect to the Wi-Fi network, and your printer will be visible for others devices in the network as printer. But in my case, I have a printer without Wi-Fi module inside, and if I want to print any document using Wi-Fi, I need to connect my printer using Ethernet cable to my Wi-Fi router or to my switch. So in my case, as you can see, for example, I want to print this document, and now as you can see, if I click in share, then I'm clicking print. Then I want to select my printer, and here is only Samsung printer right now, but with this HP printer, so my printer is not visible. So now I just connect in my printer using Ethernet cable to my switch. You can connect to the router or to your Wi-Fi mesh system. So just connect. So just connect Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable is here on this side, on the back side of your printer. And now just wait a while. If Ethernet cable is connected, you will see green lights here under Ethernet cable. So wait a while, wait for about 3 to seconds, I don't know, 15 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and here you will see your printer connected to your Wi-Fi network. So now just click on your printer and just select pages you want to print and click print. Wait a while, and great! As you can see, printer was successfully connected to the Wi-Fi network, and now I can print any documents using just a Wi-Fi. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.